Garden looking a little rough this week. We are at the end stages definitely back here with a lot of these. I'm gonna have to pull these, leave them out for the birds. I had my tallest one back here broke this week in the wind, and I just kind of left it, and it does still have a few flowers on here that are trying to bloom. So I've just left it alone, propped it up against the fence. We'll see if they still bloom. It's a very unfortunate thing that happens with some flowers. Of the one that was bit last week and chewed in half and grown into two. Still not getting tons of light, but getting there. To do a little update this morning. I came through yesterday and cleared out some of the old sunflowers, pulled some weeds. So we're looking pretty bare over here this morning, but we've got some seedlings that are growing. I'll get them over here. And I left the heads for the birds to still come enjoy. Hummingbird feeder. Always remember when it's super hot out, you want to make sure that you're changing the hummingbird juice every single day when it's hot, because they don't like nasty water and they will find somewhere else to go. But yeah, so just wanted to show a little update this morning on where we're at. It looks much better with all the grass and weeds pulled out. But now it's time to get some more seeds going, because yesterday was the official first day of summer. So we've got 90 more days of sunflowers to come. Can't wait to bring them all to you.